ChatGPT and Canva AI are essential tools for beginners in content marketing. ChatGPT enhances content creation with natural language processing, while Canva AI simplifies design tasks with intuitive features. These tools empower marketers to produce high-quality content efficiently, making them indispensable in today's AI-driven marketing landscape. Artificial intelligence is transforming content marketing, with projected revenues reaching $107.5 billion by 2028. Currently, 55% of marketers use artificial intelligence, up 12% from last year, boosting efficiency threefold. This revolution enhances creativity and personalization, significantly improving output quality and speed for those who adopt these tools. Content marketing faces challenges like time-consuming creation, writer's block, and maintaining brand voice. AI offers solutions with automated content generation, instant creative inspiration, and scalable personalization. It ensures consistent brand messaging across channels, addressing traditional pain points effectively. ChatGPT, your AI writing partner, excels in generating human-like text for blogs, emails, social posts, and ad copy. It ensures content is SEO optimized and aligned with your brand voice. With over 100 million global users in 2025, its effectiveness is evident across various industries. Crafting effective prompts is crucial for AI-generated content. Specify length, tone, audience, and themes. Review the output for accuracy and brand alignment. Refine by adding brand details, verifying facts, and adjusting tone. Finally, publish confidently across marketing channels, ensuring the content resonates with your target audience and meets your strategic goals. ChatGPT revolutionizes content marketing by streamlining blog post creation, offering AI-generated outlines and full articles to maintain publishing schedules. It personalizes email campaigns with tailored sequences and compelling subject lines. For social media, it crafts catchy captions and platform-specific posts. Additionally, it generates diverse ad copy variations for effective A/B testing across platforms. Canva AI revolutionizes visual content creation by integrating advanced artificial intelligence into its platform. It enables marketers to generate stunning images from text descriptions, create professional layouts, and produce video clips effortlessly. With thousands of artificial intelligence-suggested templates, even those without design skills can create professional branded visuals instantly. Creating a vibrant Instagram post for a Black Friday sale is seamless with Canva AI. Simply describe the style, mood, and content, like bold typography and warm autumn colors. Instantly, multiple design options appear. Customize colors, fonts, and elements to match your brand, then export for all platforms effortlessly. Canva AI revolutionizes video creation by transforming scripts into dynamic videos. It selects stock footage, adds text overlays, and syncs music. AI suggests animations, enhancing static designs with transitions and motion graphics. Export videos in formats optimized for Instagram, YouTube, LinkedIn, and more, with AI adjusting aspect ratios and file sizes for each platform. Artificial intelligence's role extends beyond content creation by analyzing performance data to optimize strategies. It offers insights for personalization, ad optimization, and content analysis. Competitive intelligence is enhanced, identifying gaps and opportunities. According to eMarketer's 2024 survey, artificial intelligence-driven insights are crucial for strategic planning, ensuring more effective and targeted marketing efforts. AI-driven competitive analysis begins with a prompt like, "Analyze competitor content coverage for sustainable fashion keywords." It collects data, processes it, and visualizes gaps through heat maps. This reveals 12 high-value topics to prioritize, accelerating content planning by identifying weaknesses 5 times faster than manual methods, according to Orbit Media research. Review AI-generated content to ensure authenticity by adding personal anecdotes and company-specific examples. Blend AI outputs with your brand voice and expertise, using AI for brainstorming and first drafts. Maintain ethical awareness by fact-checking, addressing AI bias, and disclosing AI usage to mitigate plagiarism and privacy concerns. ChatGPT excels in creative writing, search engine optimization, and conversational tasks, with a free tier and a $20 per month premium option. Canva artificial intelligence is ideal for visual content, offering social media graphics and animations, priced at $13 per month for Pro. Specialized tools like Jasper, Claude, Midjourney, and Copy.ai cater to long-form content, research, advanced imagery, and marketing copy, respectively. AI tools are revolutionizing content marketing by integrating into unified platforms, streamlining workflows from ideation to publication. Real-time personalization tailors experiences based on user behavior, while predictive analytics optimize strategies, enhancing efficiency. Early AI adopters gain a competitive edge through improved creativity and data-driven decisions, transforming marketing landscapes. AI tools like ChatGPT and Canva AI democratize content creation, offering professional quality marketing to all. Start with simple prompts and templates, experimenting to find what works. Combine AI's power with human creativity and emotional intelligence for resonant content. Embrace AI-driven content marketing to transform creation, optimization, and scaling efforts.